that are flexible and soft, whose inside is smooth and free of bumps. Now I'd like to introduce the idea of vessel power. Boosting your vessel power is a key to preventing strokes.
Okay, great. So how do we actually do it?
I'll show you what I call the zombie exercise.
Zombie Tyson. But a zombie is like a Walking Dead. I remember thinking about zombie, I would think Michael Jackson in Thriller, for example.
It's not as vigorous as Thriller, but it's fun, because otherwise you might find it hard to continue doing it. I was thinking what I'd call the exercise while doing it in front of the mirror. I looked like a zombie, which children are crazy about. That's how I came up with the name.
Okay, great. I mean, it's a great name, and it's something which is so unique.
Stand straight with your shoulders pulled back. Not like this, but like this. Look to the front and tighten your abs. Relax your shoulders and arms. Then, start jogging on the spot. Do you notice your shoulders are moving? Move your shoulders bigger while keeping your arms relaxed. Doing this, you might look like someone reluctantly doing exercise.
I don't want to do it.
Keep jogging for 1 minute.
That's quite a long time. I thought you said it was easy.
Indeed. You can jog more slowly if you have leg pain or get tired easily. And after doing this for 1 minute and improving the blood flow. Nitrogen monoxide is a gas. When it comes out, the vessel expands elastically. Also, damage to the inner wall of blood vessels causes arterial sclerosis. But it's believed that nitrogen monoxide can repair the damage. Also, strokes are often caused by a blockage of blood vessels from a blood clot. Nitrogen monoxide is said to create an environment where blood can't easily form clots, preventing them from sticking to the wall of blood vessels.
But Doctor, I did hear somewhere that too much exercise prevents the release of nitric oxide, overtraining. Is that something you don't recommend either?
Exercises that would raise your blood pressure are not good for your health because they damage blood vessels. To protect blood vessels and the heart, you should refrain from over-exercising or applying too much force on your muscles. I recommend the zombie exercise because it involves just the right amount of workout. Also, people with high blood pressure or heart conditions, as well as stroke patients, can do it worry-free. Iketani shows Erica how to do the zombie exercise while sitting on a chair watching TV. First, sit on the edge of the chair, like this. Keep your upper body straight and put your hands down. Relax your shoulders and shake your upper body. Do that for 30 seconds.
So it's exactly the same movement, just sitting down.
Let's move on to the legs. You can sit a bit further back this time. Raise each leg and turn slowly. Do this for 30 seconds. A bit further, put your back on the backrest. Lift one leg at a time, slowly, holding the seat.
This is good for the core muscle training too. Dr. Iketani, I understand you have some recommendations for specific food that can help prevent strokes.
I recommend fruits low in sugar. For example, kiwi fruits. Research at a university in New Zealand found that eating 2 kiwi fruits a day reduces cholesterol. The Japan Atherosclerosis Society
recommends eating an appropriate amount of kiwi fruits, grapefruits, and berries as a good protection against stroke.
It's widely known that eating 200 grams of fruit every day prevents stroke. That corresponds to 2 kiwi fruits.
Iketani says that kiwi fruits are high in dietary fiber and minerals, which also help reduce the risk of stroke.
Salt intake could increase your blood pressure and worsen arteriosclerosis, for example. But fiber sops up salt and flushes it out of your body. Potassium, one of the minerals contained in kiwi fruits, also helps get rid of sodium as well. Kiwi fruits contain many other minerals, which keep blood vessels elastic, too. I'd also like to recommend something which is good for boosting your blood vessel power. I call it double protein.
Iketani promotes balanced consumption of animal and plant proteins, which he calls double protein.
This is yogurt, which contains animal protein, and steamed soybeans. These contain plant protein.
You can get ample amounts of protein from small quantities of animal sources, but they contain a lot of fat too. Plant foods are low in fat, but to get enough protein, you need to eat a lot of them. That's why Iketani recommends eating yogurt and soybeans together, both of which are easy to prepare.
Proteins are crucial for blood vessel growth. We did exercises for muscles earlier to give a good massage to blood vessels. Proteins are also important for building muscles, which move our bodies too. If steamed soybeans are not available, you can substitute with other types of beans.
What other combinations could you do instead of this one?
I'd recommend tofu and cheese. You can put cheese on top of tofu and microwave it, for example. That's also double protein.
Dr. Iketani, thank you so much for your time today. It's been a lot of fun. I'll never forget zombie walking, but I probably won't do it in public yet. But it's been a really fun, and I think it's such an easy, both of them, whether it's be your recommendations for both kiwi and the double protein, and also the zombie walking. It's something that I certainly will start and try and implement. And I think everybody, the viewers watching as well. So thank you so much for your time today.
ありがとうございました。お疲れ様でした。